Hi guys and welcome to Point of View. This is the BMW 520i, the petrol version, which has 135 kilowatts. This is an update video because I've made a full review of this car earlier. So, to start the car up, you don't need to put the key anywhere, just push the start button. And the car fires right up. So let's put it in drive. And off we go. This is a 2015 model year. It's the facelift of the 5 Series, so it has the digital dashboard, a newer style infotainment screen. Mostly it's the same F10 we all love and like, but with some upgrades. It does have stop and start system, which is actually quite decent, I have to say. Now, as I said, this is an update video. If you want the full review on all of the things about this car, check my earlier video linked right here. But this is an update. So what has been going on with this car? It has... where can I see the mileage? Let's see. This car now has 47,000 kilometers on the clock, and to be honest, it feels basically brand new. If anything, it needs a good clean, but that's about it. The engine, the gearbox, everything feels very solid. There are no squeaks or rattles anywhere. I also did a longer trip to Norway skiing with my friends, and well, thank God it had really good winter studded tires, because there was a lot of snow. The car handled itself perfectly, no problem whatsoever. You can even drift this car because it is rear wheel drive and it is quite easy to handle. The tech stuff has held up very nicely as well. It doesn't feel aged one bit because it's fast, it's nippy, the screen itself is HD. If I have complaints, I'm not a fan of the digital dashboard. I still feel I'd like an analog gauge better. About the engine itself, well, it is a bit underpowered, to say the least. To get the most out of the driving feel of this BMW, the F10 or the F11 for that matter, you really need to get a bigger engine. Preferably the 3-liter diesel, which is basically amazing. If you're like me and you like petrol engines, maybe go for the 328 or the 335. They are just a bit more powerful. They just seem like a more better choice for me. One thing I love about this car is the quietness. It's not an S-Class or a 7 Series BMW, but it's very good. It's very good, it's relaxing. The steering feel is tight, but it's light at the same time, so yeah, it's comfortable to drive around the city, and yet on the highway it feels planted. Also, one big complaint, well, not a complaint, it was an option for this car: get sports or comfort seats. For the love of God, do not get standard seats. They're not bad by any standard, but if you sit in the comfort seat, it's just another world of comfort. I like the sound of this car as well. It's throaty and it's eager, but it's not going anywhere. And the problem really occurs when you have many people in the car. If it's a fully loaded car with 4 people, you're just gonna stay put. You're not gonna move anywhere. It just doesn't have the power to move that much mass. But yeah, this was it. This was my short update on the 5 Series 320. Also, one thing: big car, parking sensors, almost necessary. Rear view camera would have been nice. Parking system, well, that's just a waste of money for me. I'm not saying it's hard to park. Nope, definitely not. But a rear view camera would go a long way for this car. Okay, bye bye for now.